Latest on the transfer news. Sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So namhlanje nginiphathele ezinye indaba about ama transfer news la kwi-Betway Premiership. Kuthiwa lana Chiefs and Mabuya Pursuit after sealing a Monyane deal. Yabo kuthiwa Chiefs have now diverted their attention away from Richards Bay defender Mabuya after sealing the deal with Uthabiso Monyane. Menikhumbula kahle ke bafethu Kaizer Chiefs ibifuna i-defender le Richards Bay FC okuMabuya. Naku ke sebemthola uThabiso Monyane on a free transfer sebeyayeka ukumsayina lo mdlali lo because bazomosha imali bawuthengela inye defender ku Richards Bay ibe ikhona equality player ukuthabiso Monyane bazomthola mahala yabo. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa uLucas Suarez will return to ECA Talares yale eArgentina ngekaze ayidlalele iMamelodi Sundowns kwiClub World Cup ngiyazi ayidlalele futhi iMamelodi Sundowns next season. Umjida udlale ama matches awu14 la kuBetway Premiership. Sundowns will not make his deal permanent la eSouth Africa. Umjida uzobuyela le yabo. Umjida ke ube nama games lapho khona besibona khona ukuthi asilona i-defender eli-comfortable ebholeni yabo. Simfisela okuhle kwi-future yakhe uLucas Suarez angawuthi angakhombisa namanye ama-South American uthi likhona ibhola la eSouth Africa. Ama-South Americans ayathandwa awezi azodlala la eSouth Africa khona bezokhangisa ibhola la eSouth Africa kuma-Europeans yabo. Kwezinye izindaba Chippa United is in talks to resign Bafana goalkeeper uVeli Motwa for the 2025-2026 season Betway Premiership season, with his current contract at AmaZulu is set to expire at the end of June. Yabo nje bezodedelwa kuVeli Motwa ngenzeka uthi aye kuChippa United lesathanda kusayina ucoach omusha nakhona. Yabo basathanda kuthola ucoach omusha, ucoach nje osemncane una 35 years old. So uVeli Motwa nga-add experience kulesa scheme lesiyana. Asazi ke maybe uStanley Nwabali uyahamba kwiChippa United. Nobody knows. Maybe he is leaving because Stanley Nwabali is one of the good goalkeepers abakhona la kuBetway Premiership. He's the number 1 goalkeeper odlalela eNigeria. So amathima amaninga angazama ukumsayina uStanley Nwabali kuleli windi leli lizoqala nje asazi. Njengoba seconfirmiwe usiwa uMonyane benopaseka Marco bawuthi sebeyijoinile iKaizer Chiefs after parting ways with the Orlando Pirates. Indaba ezinkulu lezi eziphumile kuleli sonto ngizoconfirma ke bafethu abajida bazo announce nanominini. Yabo bazo announce iKaizer Chiefs mase livulile nje iwindi nizobabona iKaizer Chiefs ibapost. Uzizwa kanjani le iKaizer Chiefs fan ungangitshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba? Orlando Pirates fan ungangitshela ama comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngale indaba? For me angifuna uqamba ngekho mnandi. As a Orlando Pirates fan, I'm not okay with this news, but ke ungangitshela ama comments wena uzizwa kanjani. Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa AmaZulu ase-release 6 players. AmaZulu FC ase-release 6 players okuvela imothwa lo ade ngikhuluma ngaye ngaphambilini kwabobani Abubakar Mopara the former Orlando Pirates player. Mase kuba ubani uBoniface Haba first nyamazi ke lo amchitelo. Mase kuba uRowan Human. I'm really disappointed with uRowan Human, but ke abamreleasanga ngamabomu. Umfana akafuni ukurenew icontract yakhe with AmaZulu FC. Yabo uRowan Human. So ubona abadlali abareleasiwe AmaZulu FC asazi because there is this another player okuTsepang Morim. Tsepang Morim ingenzeka ahambe kuMaZulu njengoba kusele unyaka wakhe wokugcina with AmaZulu. Orlando Pirates are really pushing to sign uTsepang Morim. Yabo i-deal izoconclude nanoma yini. Asazi izoconclude noma cha because akhona amanye ama team amfuna uTsepang Morim. Will Orlando Pirates get the deal? Nobody knows, but I have a high feeling ukuthi umjida uzojoina impela Orlando Pirates. So AmaZulu need to sign ama quality players. Yabo leli windi siyakulona AmaZulu FC uma engabhekili azolandela iCape Town City. Kumele alandele abadlali aba-right quality players only. Hayi lento le angifuqa amanga. Dedela abadlali kumele wazi okay, I'm releasing players, experienced players, I'm releasing them. Kumele u-add quality, unga-add abadlali abaqhama kwe-TDC masuzosana nalabo vela ade bekhona ngeke kube khona umehluko lapho. I-team izoqhubeka ibed. Ungafani nje iCape Town City. iCape Town City yadedela iquality abadlali yalanda abadlali abayaqhama kwe-TDC yasalanda abakhehla asuka le phesheya yabo. Abadlali abangena iclub ukuthi ibhola la eSouth Africa idlala kanjani ingakho i-team ingadlali kahle. So AmaZulu kumele enze into right. Kumele aye kwiSkokhona mhlambe, kumele aye kwiStellies mhlambe, kumele mhlambe aye kwiPirates zama ukulona few players mhlambe, ekusundowns zama ukulona few players mhlambe, iye kuKaizer Chiefs bazama ukulona few players yabo. Bazama nje ukuthenga ngempela Kwezinye izindaba kuthiwa Betway Premiership clubs Orlando Pirates and Cape Town City have reportedly joined the race for the signature of highly sought after Azam FC winger uGibril Sila, who's set to leave the club on a free transfer. Menikhumbula kahle ke bafethu ithi nje iKaizer Chiefs, menikhumbula iKaizer Chiefs iyona ebimfuna kwakhulu lomdlali okuthiwa uGibril Sila. Yabo, nawe Cape Town City ne-Orlando Pirates sebejoyinile nabo irace yokumsayina lo mjita. I don't think Cape Town City inayo i-financial power ukuthi imthole lo mjita. Orlando Pirates for me, it is the favorite team ukuthi imsayine lo mdlali uGibril Sila. Talented winger le bafethu edlala le Tanzania. Ibhola laseTanzania liyakhuphuka. Many players aqhamuka khona ama-team la eSouth Africa ngempela afuna ukubasayina. Menikhumbula kahle Kaizer Chiefs inomdlali odlalela iAzam efuna ukumsayina futhi. Yabo. Ubedlala nje lo mdlali. I think ubedlala team le Tanzania adlala nebafana. Yabo. So iKaizer Chiefs adifuna ukumsayina lo mjita lo. Ngekudala nje simbone seyidlalela iKaizer Chiefs, but ke lo mdlali lo Orlando Pirates inawo ama chances ukuthi imthenge uyiwinga. Yabo, asifuneke ukubona omunye umdlali, asifuna ukubona omunye uGilberto. Yabo, le top lo mjita lo uyadlala ngempela. Yabo, imali asifuna nje ukuwaste imali. We don't want to waste imali on a player ongeyazidlaleli libhola liselifunayo. We don't want another Gilberto in this guy. We want umdlali odlalayo, umdlali oshisayo. Kwezinye izindaba iCOSAFA kuyodlala ama semi-final ngo-13 June ngolesihlanu. Bafana iyile kuma semi-finals. Yabo, kuyangijabulisa kakhulu lo kuyodlala neComoros. Mase kuthi Angola lezi no Gilberto beziyodlala neMadagascar ma semi-finals eCOSAFA ngomhla ka-13 June Friday. Yabo, let's hope abafana bazokwazi ukuwina baye kwi-final siyodlala iCOSAFA final. Ade sagcina ukuyodlala iCOSAFA final sagcina ngo-2021. So it's been a long time since we lifted a trophy eCOSAFA. Yabo, let's hope the boys win. Kwezinye izindaba, South African striker uSiyabonga Ligeza has made another move overseas ahead of the 2025-2026 season eEngland. Yabo, umjidi uyadlala ngempela eEngland. Mwase ubheke kodwa lapha ku-transfer market. Ku-transfer market kuthiwa une-citizenship eWales. Imagine, the boy has citizenship eWales. Wazalwa ngoJune 5, 2003, una-22 years old. Yabo, siyalingana sinaye. Mawathathu uyabheka la wazalelwa le eLeicester. Yabo, njengoba wazalelwa eLeicester une-citizenship eWales nase-South Africa. So unama-citizenship awu-2. Yabo, angayidlalela bafana angayidlalela iWales. Sekwayidlalela vela i-under-16 yeWales. So angazi noma ulegit yini usadlalela bafana. Angazi, wangitshela ama-comments ngabe angakwazi ukuyidlalela bafana. Mwase ubheke ama-team aseka wadlalela kwi-career yakhe. Umjida wadlalela iCardiff under 18, wadlalela iCardiff City under 23 ngo-2021-2022 season. Wangaba naye club u-2022-2023 2022-2023 futhi wajoyina iFlight. Wasesuka lapho kwiFlight wathi ngo-2024 wajoyina iEastbourne. Wasesuka kwi-Eastbourne bamloanela kwi-Flight. Wasuka kwi-Flight wabuyela kwi-parent club yakhe. Wasuka kwi-parent club yabo waya kwi-Bognor Regis. Yabo, uloke shona le udlala eEngland right now. Inkinga udlala le ezansi eEngland. Yabo, ithema soyidlalela ke right now ibizwa ngani ngeAlfred Tron. Alfred Tron lama club lawo, but ke ama club lawo adlala le kuma lower leagues. Yabo, umjida uloke ehamba nje kuma lower leagues. Yabo, uyadlala kuma lower leagues. Let's hope uzobuya eSouth Africa adlale because he has a future ahead of him. Usana 22 years old, usengafika la ku-Betway Premiership. Athola ama-team angcono angakwazi ukudlala khona ku-top flight football. Not lento loke edlala le kuma-team amancane le, but ke mhlawumbe impilo imnandi le England. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu, Orbit College versus iKaizer Stars badraw ngo-0-0 namhlanje. I'm really disappointed with these results from both of these teams. Yabo, angifuqa amanga. I'm disappointed because kuyakhombisa impela shuthi iCape Town City izokwazi ukubuyela ku-Betway Premiership uma lama club lawo ma-2 engakhombisi ugquzu lokuya ku-Betway Premiership. Awakhombisi. This is classic NFD type football. Not kuma playoff rounds. Hayi, akugcolisness. Kwezinye izindaba nje wasenazi-ke uNabi ngiyazi ayishiye iKaizer Chiefs. Yabo, despite the earlier report stating ukuthi uNabi ngenzeka ahambe kwiKaizer Chiefs, Nabi bafethu ngiyazi ahambe kwiKaizer Chiefs, iboard iyambheka umjida. Let's hope ke umjida uzokwazi ukusebenzisa ithuba lelanikezwe lona. Yabo,